Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show you something very quickly, something to recommend for if you have skin sensitivity or eczema or allergy. So it is a bedding product from Ecosa. I have tried quite a lot of different brands of bamboo bedding, and so far I've been most impressed with this brand. So it's an Australian brand, local brand again, and the quality of their bamboo bedding is just so good. So their bamboo bedding is definitely the thickest fabric I've found out of all the sort of different brands that I've tried on the market, and the most reasonably priced. And they always come in a beautiful box, which makes the experience a bit more luxurious. They are an online only store, and you can see here they do quite a variety of different color. So I've got this green, mossy green color here. It is a very smooth type of fabric with the bamboo fabric. It's like it's similar sort of feeling to silk, not as smooth and shiny, but it is almost equivalent. There is an added advantage with bamboo versus silk, because silk, it is an animal product, so you could actually have allergy to silk, although it is very rare. But the silk protein can sometimes actually causes allergy. And also, I guess with silk, you just have to be careful with how you wash it. I know a lot of the bedding that is made from silk says you can wash it, but I have found that they don't wash as well as bamboo. And again with Ecosa, I've been just gradually changing all my bedding products to this brand, because what I found is the stitching, the craftsmanship is actually so much better than a lot of the other bedding brands I've tried. Particularly their fitted sheets. I'm very impressed with the very a thick band of elastic they have around the corners, that it really just sort of wraps over the mattress very well, snugly, and washes well as well. So yeah, so as you can see, all the stitchings are done very well. We've got the button closures here. I mean, the buttons are not the highest quality, I have to say, but aside from that, the stitching and the sewing is actually very well done. I mean, disclaimer, I'm not a tailor or an expert garment maker or anything like that. So as you can see, these are queen size. They've got their confidence in textiles sort of certification, that it is a non-toxic fabric, 100% bamboo. And the other thing I like with their bedding is they're confident enough to say that most of their bedding range are in the bamboo. Well, all the ones that I've purchased so far are all machine washable, and you can actually tumble dry them on low. So this is like a major advantage over some of the silk sort of bedding products. I just find it's a bit disappointing when you buy a bedding product and then they say you can't really wash it and dry it, which just how are you going to keep it clean? I just it just always baffles me. And in terms of drying, I do prefer things that I can put into the dryer, because of pollen allergies. I just can't really dry things sort of outside. I do all my drying indoors, and with large sheets and bedding, I can't really dry them on a drying rack indoors, so I do have to rely on the dryer. So that's it from me today. So a quick video about my favorite bedding brand recently that I would like to share with you, particularly for those of you who's got sensitive skin or allergies. I highly recommend using bamboo bedding, just because it's so soft and smooth and washes so well, and you can put it in the dryer. So excellent when it comes to sort of prevent dust mite preventions. So yeah, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are enjoying my channel, please subscribe. Any comments, I would be thrilled to hear from you. Thank you. See you next time.